What's up guys, back at it again with another video, starting off on my bike. Told you she gotta get some rest in. She on whenever she's getting rested on. She is, I'm telling you guys. Alright, I'm gonna ride this. Hope I don't fall. Alright, hold up guys. In 1 minute or so, I'm gonna turn off this video and make another one. Because bleeding stuff coming down because she's blowing. So basically I'm gonna try to just crank up and bike. See that?